everybody, we got our third history video in a week. Jeez, I can't believe I've done 3 of them in 1 week. But anyway, we got ELS 1202. So talking about the locomotive, this was built in September of 1950. She's older, yes, than both of our 1200 and 1201, surprisingly. As a 4032, an ex-Belt Railway of Chicago 503. It's a TR4A, is a cow cab version of the EMD SW7, and this is one of the Marinette Menominee engines, if you could not guess from the picture you guys are looking at right now. Now, talking about the TR4A, these engines were built between October of 1949 and January of 1952, and there are only 15 of these types. Yes, this is one of 15 of the TR4As you're looking at right in front of you. So, talking about the horsepower, 1,200 horsepower. It is a V12 diesel. Primary motor is an EMD 12/567BA. But another one of the, I call these switcher units more than actually normal ones. These are just like switcher, I feel like. But yeah, so this is an interesting one of them. Talking about this, there were only, when the TR4s were built, 4 sets were purchased by the Belt Railway of Chicago, 500AB to 506AB. There were only 15 of these things, and one of them is on the ELS, which shows you one thing. The ELS, I guess, are known for having engines that are a little rare. Anyway, folks, that is it for this one, folks. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to hit the like, hit the sub, leave a comment if you like these videos. And I think the next one we have on our list would be ELS 122, the snowplow car. Of course, we have to include the snowplow car. Everyone loves it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace out, everybody.